In electromechanical designs, components and objects are often owned by a single domain. These objects should be exchanged, however, the construction and modification of these objects should be only modified by one domain. In this example, we have a connector that's being placed and is defined and owned by the mechanical designer. In NX, we can change the ownership of the connector as we send the component to the electrical domain. Once the exchange file is created, the designer in Expedition can review the contents. The ownership can be seen in the properties, as well as a color code to identify owned objects. In this case, you can see the connector with MCAD ownership is highlighted green and will be locked once the baseline is applied. The electrical engineer can continue his work and place his components. At any time, he can use the right mouse button and change the ownership to electrical. In this example, we'll only send a single IC that's been tagged electrical. The electrical designer will then attempt to unlock the MCAD owned connector and modify its location. You will see when we try to modify and send that incremental file to NX, the connector is automatically rejected as it should be driven by the mechanical domain. With ownership, designers can ensure design rules from their respective domain are followed for their critical components and objects within their project.